Once swimmers have developed confidence with body rolls, steady freestyle kicks, and proper arm circles, it's time to bring these skills together. Swimmers will perform freestyle strokes and use a body roll to transition into a back float for a breath. Start by reinforcing key technique points. Remind swimmers to keep a strong body position, maintain steady, small freestyle kicks, and big arm circles. When ready, give the swimmer a clear, structured goal by saying, I want you to do 5 arm circles, then roll to your back and float to take a breath. After they catch their breath, swimmers will roll back onto their stomachs and continue swimming forward. After another 5 to 6 yards, cue them to roll once again into a back float for another breath. This pattern continues until the swimmer reaches 12.5 yards, typically completing the full sequence 2 to 3 times in a row, depending on their arm reach and pace. This drill promotes rhythm, breath control, and smooth transitions, essential elements for building efficient freestyle swimmers.